What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today I am going to be cleaning these Revenge Storms in the fluorescent green colorway that, as you can see, got a little dirty. I'm not sure how, but I'm a huge fan of this shoe, guys. Vans silhouette, at least, have to be like one of the most classic shoes. Everyone rocks a pair of Vans. If you don't have a pair of Vans in your collection, that's a little weird. But even though these aren't Vans, these are still fire. The little thunderbolt on it, it just sets it off even more. But today I am going to be cleaning these guys with Reshoevn8r's Ultimate Shoe Cleaning Kit that comes with our 16-ounce bottle, detergent, towel, laundry bag, all 4 brushes, and a whole bunch of other items that you can find in the description below. So without further ado, guys, let's get bubbly. For today's video, guys, I am only going to be cleaning the left pair. So I'm going to put the right one to the side. And to start off, I am going to remove the shoelaces, and then we'll insert our adjustable shoe tree. So the main reason why we remove the laces, guys, is to get a deeper clean. We want to go ahead and clean the tongue and the inside as well, and then also get these laces nice and clean. So as I mentioned, the next step is to grab our adjustable shoe trees. Now we get a lot of questions on how do we use the adjustable shoe trees, and it's pretty simple. So what you're gonna wanna do is you just pop off these little metal pieces here, you squeeze them together, and then you wanna adjust it to the appropriate size. I already pre-sized these ahead of time to cheat. So once you go ahead and get that, what you wanna do is push the shoe tree down like so, insert it into the shoe, and then you apply pressure here to get that nice form, and it's gonna allow you to apply more pressure on this toe box. Next step is to grab our bottle solution. As I mentioned, the Ultimate Kit does come with the 16-ounce bottle, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add just a few drops like that, close it up, and I am gonna begin cleaning the uppers using the Soft Bristle Brush. Real quick tip, anytime you are cleaning a shoe that has dyed suede such as these, you wanna make sure you test it in a smart area first. I was not too worried about this shoe because it is a lighter colored suede, but anytime you are messing with any kind of like red, blue, black, those tend to bleed really bad. So you just wanna make sure you test it in a smart area. I would always recommend the back, somewhere where people don't really see it. But for this shoe, I'm not experiencing any color bleed, so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue cleaning the shoe. All right, guys, the shoe is looking really good on the uppers. As you can see, the suede cleaned up super nice. One thing I want to point out is this canvas material side here. It is super dingy, and that's just because the only real way to get it clean is going to be with the laundry system. So I'm still going to put these in the wash just because it still kind of looks dingy brown right here. Not sure if you guys can see it, but in the other side as well. So I want to make sure I put these in the laundry system, see if it gets it clean and flushes out all that dirt. But moving on, guys, I am going to go ahead and clean the midsole and the outsole with the stiff bristle brush. I don't think I need the all-purpose brush on this shoe. There's no real deep stains on the material. Maybe just on this back heel tab right here where I'll use the all-purpose brush right now, and then I'll move on to the midsoles and outsoles with that stiff bristle brush. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the entire shoe. Go ahead and check that out real quick. Let me give you a 360. So the next step is to put these to the side and grab our laces because we can't forget to clean these. As you can see, they are pretty dirty, but they're pretty simple to clean. All you have to do is just dip them into our bowl of solution and water mixture and then rub them in between our hands. Now that the laces are all done and clean, guys, I still want to go ahead and put these in the wash just to get a deeper clean. Never hurt anybody. So I'm going to go ahead and grab our sneaker laundry bag here. Put the shoe inside and lock it up. You always want to make sure you pull it tight, lock it down with the locks that come with the bag. If you like, guys, if this is too much, you can go ahead and always wrap it around the shoe and tie a knot with the other one. For example, if you have like a washer with a little agitator in the middle, sometimes they can get caught. So if you wanted to, you can just tie a little knot around like this, and boom, you will not have any issues with it getting wrapped around that little agitator. So next step, guys, is to put these in the wash. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, guys, we're in the washroom, so let's go ahead and put the shoes in the wash. We're gonna make sure we use 1 ounce of our detergent, cold water, normal cycle, and let's leave it in there for about an hour. Let's go ahead and do that now. What's up, guys? We are back. Go ahead and check out the results we got here. I'm honestly super impressed with this cleaning. As you can see, it went from straight beat to heat. I'm a huge fan of this shoe, and I'm a bigger fan of the colorway. I like this bright, like lime green Volt colorway. I might actually try to pick up a pair myself. Unfortunately, these are size 10, which I'm a true 11.5, so they're not gonna fit, but I can always shop somewhere else, right? But remember, guys, I achieved these results using Reshoevn8r's Ultimate Sneaker Laundry Kit that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you check out the description below, guys, because it's a nice little promo code for you guys to save some bucks. I'm Jonny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time.